Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agrawal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on data interpretation using a pie chart. Here the given problem is graphs below shows the Indian tourists and their ages. The Indian tourists who are visiting abroad, if we see their distribution, 45% goes to USA, 30% goes to France, 10% goes to Dubai, and 15% Indian tourists go to other countries. This is the distribution of Indian tourists who are visiting abroad. Now if we see the age distribution of these tourists, 15% of these tourists are below 25 years of age, 60% of the tourists are in the range 25 to 35 years, 20% of the tourists are in the age of 35 to 50, and 5% of the tourists are more than 50 years of age. This is the age distribution, and this is the distribution country wise. Now based on this information we have to answer a question. It is known that 5 lakhs Indian tourists visited abroad. How many of them were 50 years of age who visited USA? Total 5 lakhs Indian tourists visited abroad. Now we have to find out how many of them visited USA whose age was more than 50 years. So friends, to answer this question, first let us determine total tourists who visited abroad of the age more than 50 years. 50 years of age means 5% such tourists are there. Total tourist visited 5 lakhs. So 5% of 5 lakhs, 5% of 5 lakhs means 5 into 5 lakhs divided by 100 is equal to 25,000. Means if total 5 lakhs tourists visited abroad, out of 5 lakhs 25,000 tourists were of age more than 50 years. Now out of this 25,000, the tourists who visited USA, 45%. So let us determine tourists visited USA is equal to 45 into 25,000 divided by 100, because 45% of total tourist visit abroad goes to USA. Total tourist going abroad having age more than 50 years are 25,000, and 45% of 25,000 is equal to 45 into 25,000 divided by 100 is equal to 11,250. So answer is D. Friends, based on this information we can answer one more question. If 30,000 tourists visited France, how many tourists visited abroad were of age below 25 years? In a particular year, if suppose 30,000 tourists visited France, then the total tourists who visited abroad were of age below 25 years. So to answer this question, let us assume total tourist visit abroad is equal to X. In a particular year, total tourist visited abroad is X. We know only 30% of X are visiting France, but we know 30,000 tourists visited France. It means 30% of X is equal to 30,000, means X is equal to 30,000 into 100 divided by 30 is equal to 1 lakh. It means 1 lakh tourists in that year are visiting abroad. Out of this 1 lakh, 30,000 of course are visiting France. Out of this 1 lakh, how many tourists were of age below 25 years? Below 25 years are 15%. It means total tourists are 1 lakh, and below 25 years how many will be there? 15%. So tourist below 25 years of age is equal to 15 into 1 lakh divided by 100 is equal to 15,000. So answer is A. So if total 1 lakh tourists are visiting abroad, out of 1 lakh 15,000 will be of age less than 15 years. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much.